Dave Urey. Having trouble establishing contractors for fix up and repair. Can I become an LLC or multiple Schedule Cs and do it myself and basically pay myself or my family for help? You don't even have to go that far. I mean, you can just pay yourself for your time. I mean, you don't have to layer LLCs in order to do that. Now, again, seek professional counsel prior to taking any action, right? So there's definitely a whole bunch of legal things that I can't speak on, but I wouldn't make it so complicated. In fact, I would say that when you're getting started, you should keep it absolutely as simple as possible. I don't know. I don't think an LLC is important at all, either in the property ownership side or on how you structure your pay. I don't think the IRS is going to be so. With them, it seems to be function over form, right? So regardless of the way that you layer it, in essence, you're just paying yourself for doing the work yourself. Now, the thing that I would like to point out even more than, the legal structure that you need to do in order to pay yourself, which I don't think there's any necessarily required, is the fact that you doing the work is not a very scalable thing. So just like I said previously, how there's just as many different ways to make money in real estate as there are people investing in real estate. Is it really depends on your goals. If your goals are to scale some type of flipping business, if you want to do 5, 10 a year, well, you can't do all the work yourself. Your friends, your family can't do all the work themselves, right? Like, you need to fix your contractor problem. You need to find ways to kind of mitigate that exposure or that human resource problem that you're going to have, so that you can actually do this significantly more effective and achieve some level of scale. Now, if your goal is to do one, maybe two properties per month, then by all means, go ahead and do that. It might make more sense if you're paying yourself and you're able to build some additional capital in the beginning by doing the work yourself. But I would not get in the habit, and I would really guard yourself from taking on the idea that you can't find any good help and that you have to do all the work yourself, right? Like, the more control that you have to have over your business, and the more you are not, the more you convince yourself that you can't find good people, well, the fewer good people you'll find, and the less your business will ever grow, because you're keeping too much of a death grip on it. And hey, we've taken our fair share of lumps from contractors, where we have paid for really low quality work, or we have paid for work that never got completed. But never are we going to have a contractor issue and then turn around and say, well, the only solution is that we start doing all of this work ourselves. That would not be good.
Thanks for watching that clip. I thought that was a good question. And I think you can ask good questions too. Join us every Friday morning at 8 a.m. Eastern Standard Time for a live stream Q&A where we answer plenty of questions just like this one. In the meantime, consider subscribing to the channel if you want more of this content. And if you want to increase your deal flow, analyze properties better, and help me feed my family, click the link below for a free 7-day trial of PropStream.